young men are being sought by the police in connection with the beating and robbery of an elderly homeless man in St. Mary. The incident happened in Port Maria, and the 70-year-old victim required emergency surgery for the injuries sustained. Details in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
Battered and bruised, and not just by the elements. Instead, a homeless man in St. Mary was robbed and beaten by unknown attackers on Wednesday night near the Port Maria market.
That somebody would have attempted or look at a person like that to rob. And it is saying that it is to a new low that our society would have been sinking.
Local government Minister Desmond McKenzie has condemned the attack on the elderly man. The mayor of Port Maria, Fitzroy Wilson, says the homeless man is known by local authorities and gets state assistance.
This is one of our indigent persons that we would have cared for at the municipal corporation drop-in center that would normally come in for food and a change of clothes and being medicated on a daily basis. This just goes to show that maybe we need to look at a residential drop-in center so that our residents can actually be able to sleep in peace, because this is not an isolated incident. We've had persons being murdered, some of our people have been murdered in years gone by. And whilst we would have been able to cater for them in the day, they are left to the mercy of the world in the night.
It is believed the attackers targeted the man to relieve him of his very small sums of cash he earned from doing odd jobs and errands in Port Maria daily. The Port Maria police are investigating the incident.
2 young men were seen running from the scene of the incident. It was reported to the police, St. Mary Police, and they are doing some investigation. We are waiting the report from the police officers to determine exactly what transpired and so on. But he was taken to the Port Maria Hospital and then transferred to the Kingston Public Hospital, where he had undergone emergency surgery and is being cared for.
Persons who may have witnessed the incident and know the young men involved are being asked to contact the police at their emergency 119 number. 4 years ago, several young men were similarly sought and eventually charged in relation to a deadly attack on a homeless man in Kingston. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.